So fog lamps have got to be one of the most misunderstood accessories out there, because people normally assume that they're either just cosmetic or that brighter lights automatically mean better lights, but that is not the case. So welcome to another video with STRC Productions. Today we'll be going over what fog lamps we fixed for the Transalp and why they're so damn important. Now the stock headlight of this Transalp is actually pretty decent. For normal city riding it's completely fine, but if you start riding on the highways or roads with no street lights, then you'll quickly realize how limited your visibility can become. Now if you get a good pair of fog lamps, it will help you in three major ways. Number one, it will provide you with a wider field of vision. Number two, it will give you better long distance visibility, so you'll be able to see much more ahead. And number three, and this is something that most people ignore, it will make yourself and your motorcycle much more visible to the others on the road. So for this Transalp 750, we have gone ahead with the Baja Designs Squadron Pro fog lamps, and there's a reason why these pair of fog lamps are so highly regarded. They produce around 4,900 lumens per pair and they use high output LEDs. And also this setup uses a driving combo beam pattern, so you get both distance and spread. Now these are also built for serious off-road abuse. So rain, dust or rough roads, none of that is really going to matter. Now I didn't want this to be another video where somebody just talks about the specifications. So I took the bike out and I tested the fog lamps properly. So let me show you how much of a difference it actually makes. Now as you can see, this is the amount of light you get with the stock headlights. This is low beam and this is high beam. Low beam and high beam. Now watch what happens when I turn on the fog lamps. Look at how much of a difference it actually makes. Because your stock headlamps are designed to throw light forward, they won't give you much coverage towards your sides, as you can see here. But if you have a good pair of auxiliary lights, you get illumination all around. Now we saw how helpful these lights are when you're traveling on the highway. But what if you're not on the highway? What if you take a deviation or a shortcut to a road like this? Now on the highway you will have reflectors on the road to help you see where you're going. But when you come to a road like this, there are no reflectors, there are no street lights, nothing of that sort. So what would you do? The answer is simple. Get yourself a good pair of fog lamps so that your view goes from this to this. Because now I don't just have better visibility for ahead, I have much more illumination towards my sides as well. Because when you're traveling at night, visibility is your number one concern. So when you have a setup like this, if something were to go wrong, you have much more time to react because the road ahead and towards your side is properly illuminated. Now if you're somebody who rides within the city, then this might not be necessary for you. But if you're somebody who tours or you take highways often, or if you ride through unpredictable weather, then this upgrade is something that you'll genuinely appreciate every single ride. And also I feel that this is the most functional upgrade as well. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want more breakdowns or ride reviews like this, let us know in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.